November the 8th. It is approximately 50 degrees out, somewhere in there. It's really warm. Not much of a wind. I literally just pulled up to the field and the deer are just leaving the field this morning. They fed pretty late, but this spot's just not a morning spot, so I'm gonna go head up in them hills back there. I'm tired of it. I'm going to their home turf. Something's gonna die today. Let's do this. Well, here it is. 2015 archery buck. Look how wide it is. Beautiful. Beautiful 4x4. Spot and stock, baby. It's the way you gotta do it in Nebraska, especially when the conditions are 70 degrees out. You wouldn't think you'd have to get a game cart and a pack to get a deer out in Nebraska, but yeah, you do. So I thought I could pull the whole body out with just a cart, but he was like 300 pounds, I swear. So I kind of just got this whole method going, got my back straps here, and figured I might as well use the cart, and here we go. Guess we'll cart him out of here, and we're gonna have some fresh backstrap steaks tonight. So it was a good hunt. Now the rifle season's coming up. I've gotten an antelope and now a nice whitetail. Let's hope I can get something for rifle.